Now we'll create the model view. The model view is created with the transition code SALE cell or the T code BD64. A model view is an object which stores the sender and the receiver information along with the message type and filtering condition if we are maintained. A model view gives the distribution model details, how the data is distributed from the sender and receiver system. Like in this example scenario, we are working with only one sender and one receiver system. But in real-time scenario, there might be a requirement like a one sender system and a multiple receiver system. So that also completely we can maintain in this model view, that is transaction code BD64. So for the creation of model view, log into our SAP system, go to T code BD64. By default, it is in the display mode. Click on change mode. And here, click on create model view. Give a short description like model view for, you can give any name, 700 to 500. And technical name here, I'm giving as MATMAS 75. You can give any technical name, it is just a simple ID. So I'm giving here as the MATMAS 75. Press enter. I can see it is in light blue color because yet we not maintained the other details. So for adding the sender receiver information along with the message type, select the newly created model and click on add message type. So here inside this model view, we have to add the sender and the receiver system. To select our sender system, that is D700 send, and the receiver system is D500 RECV. And the message type which we are going to transfer is MATMAS, that is a metal master. Once we add the message type, we can expand this newly created model and we can see the sequence how it is maintained. That is the model view. Inside that we have the sender system and the receiver system and the MATMAS, and currently we have not set any filter condition that we'll see in the upcoming session. So this gives a complete structure of how the data is distributed from sender to receiver and the which message type is we are transferring. Click on save button. Once we save, then we can see in the black color. So in this way, we're done with the creation of model view with the transaction code BD64. Now next we'll see about the partner profile, for which we have to use a T code WE20. That we'll see in the next session.